Vanakkam, Namaskara, Namaste. Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we will learn the function PERMUT. PERMUT is a short form for permutations. Permutations is nothing but the number of combinations which we can use with given numbers. Okay. This function calculates a maximum number of permutations given a fixed number of items. Unlike in combined functions which we did last time, AB and BA will be different, but in the function combine, which is a combination, AB and BA will be same. But here in this function, these two AB and BA will be two different items. Okay, so let's understand with an example. Here we have a number of items 4, and with this we want the combinations 2. Okay, out of these 4 we can have permutations of these 2. Here we have used earlier the combination. So out of the 4 items, and in a particular scenario we can only use 2, then the combination we can have is 6. And here number of items 4 and item in a group 3, so we can have 4 combinations. 26 alphabets and a group, we can have 2 letters, so that time combinations can become 325. Now let's see the permutations, how it works. So in permutation, as I told you, AB and BA will be two different. So definitely the numbers will increase. Let's see. So the formula equals to permut, open bracket, number. How many number are there in our pool? So we have 4 items total. And out of this, how many we can use in a particular combination? 2. So we'll enter 2 here. So we will select instead of entering the number, and we want 2 and close the bracket. Now see, we have 12, wherein in common we got only 6. We'll copy this and here. Earlier in common we had 325 combinations, but under permutations we have 650 common permutations. Yeah. Now let's look here another example. First we'll look into combine which we did. We have 5 colors, and that will go in logo, text and tagline. So we have 5, and we can use maximum color is 3. So how many combinations we can get? We can get 10 combinations. But in permutations, we'll see. Five colors, maximum we can use at a time 3 plus. So we can have 60 combinations. So this is the function how we use permutations. I hope you like this video. I'll see you in next video. Until then, it's bye from Saravanan Jaina.